Hello there, and we are here for another week of Aldi Haul in our weekly meal plan. So if you're ready, please make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. Let's go shopping. Alrighty, and we are back from Aldi, and I don't feel like I got all that much. I guess laying it all out in front of me, it kind of looks like I did, but you just ever have those days where you feel like you didn't really buy anything, but you still spent as much as you usually did? I had one of those days today. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Over here, I bought some broccoli. I have this broccoli. I have some in my freezer, but I am doing a stir fry this week, as well as a broccoli cheddar soup. So we're gonna need lots of broccoli. So I'll use that and what I have in my freezer, as well as I grabbed some garlic. I like to keep the fresh garlic around, and I use it a lot more in the fall and winter time because I make a lot more vegetable dishes and soups and things that require garlic. So I have this here garlic. Raspberries, they had raspberries on sale. I believe they were like $1.69, so I grabbed another package of these. I like to add these to peanut butter and jelly for my son because, you know, fresh fruit is always better than jelly. I also grabbed here some croissants. I really like to put these here packs of tuna on them, mix them with just a little bit of mayonnaise, and they're delicious. Also, the chicken salad would be really good on those too. I haven't tried that yet, but I just thought of that and that sounds really good. Speaking of the tuna, it's here. We have the chunk light, and I also grabbed here the sweet and spicy kind. That one's real good. I like that. And my son will eat the plain. He won't eat the spicy. Then I grabbed some bananas. I buy bananas just about every week. Over here, oh, by the way, we also grabbed another case of water here just to keep in the fridge. I grabbed heavy whipping cream. This is going to also be part of the soup, and I can't even remember right now, but I need it for another recipe as well. I guess they stopped carrying the small ones, which is kind of disappointing because I never really need this much, but you know, whatever, I guess. It is what it is. I grabbed a loaf of bread. I mostly use this for my son's lunches or toast in the morning. We have a lot of screaming going on today. Sorry, folks. Stuffed clams. So this here is in the frozen section. I have not seen these there before. I believe this is an Aldi find for the week, and they look really good. They're like, you know, Clams Casino or the stuffed clams with the breadcrumbs and the paprika and the clams, and I love seafood. I don't know. Do you guys like seafood? Let me know in the comments. Moving over, tofu, another strange product, I suppose you could say. Do you guys like the tofu? If you haven't had it, I'm just gonna say you probably never had it cooked right. There is a right way and a wrong way to make tofu, and tofu is a cheap alternative to meats, and with the rising prices and inflation, I am trying to figure out ways to reduce costs of protein, and tofu is a great way to do that. Same with seitan. I grabbed some Parmesan cheese, and back here, peeking through, we have our chicken salad. We got the classic for this week. I have here just some tomato paste as well because I need that for my stock. Grabbed another jar of artichoke hearts. This is going to be for a spinach and artichoke dinner dish. The French roast cake cups, or, you know, whatever Aldi calls them. What do they just call them? Okay, they just call them cups, whatever. The French roast cups. My husband takes those to work. I grabbed these lemon moon pies because they are on sale and they are actually really good. They kind of remind me of, like, I don't know, like just like those lemon cookies with the cream. They're so good. Have you guys ever put moon pies in the microwave for like 15 seconds? The marshmallow gets really soft and so does the cake, and oh, it's yummy. Moving on here. I grabbed a Greek vinaigrette. I'm going to use this as a marinade for one of my dinners. I was contemplating this or speedy sauce. I went for the Greek vinaigrette though. Behind that, I grabbed some pure maple syrup. This is also going to be used in recipes. And then we have a box of crackers. This is going to be with our cheese that I bought this week that I have yet to announce. But I grabbed one of these candles. This one is for snow. They're starting to bring out all of their holiday candles. They had like cranberry, and they had like the balsam, you know, like the pine smelling ones. Really good. Then we have our seltzer waters. These are all the sweetened ones. This one's key lime, black cherry, got some strawberry, these red ones, and back here is the peach, as well as the squeezes, all in various flavors. Again, I buy these every week for my son so I can make sure he is eating some fruits and vegetables. He is increasingly getting pickier about eating fruits and whatnot, so I'm going to continue giving him those. Now, on to some fun stuff. They had this Freaky Franken Sage Derby cheese. So, I haven't tried this. It's just another one of their Aldi finds. Super cute for Halloween. They had like 4 different ones. They also had like a pumpkin one and a plain cheddar one. The pumpkin one had like cinnamon and nutmeg, so it was like a sweeter spiced cheese. And then I also grabbed this one. It says it has strawberry and Prosecco. I thought that was very interesting. And it's got this super cute Dia de los Muertos, the sugar skull design. So they have some of those still. I was looking for more of the coffee and fun Halloween things I bought last week, but my Aldi's was completely out. So if you guys can find them, good luck, snatch them up. They're really good. I grabbed these cheese curds. I like the garlic. I haven't tried the Cajun yet. So we are going to try the Cajun, and if I am feeling feisty, I might even try to fry them up this weekend and do like some fried cheese curds. I don't know, we'll see. I grabbed a bag of mild cheddar. It's a 1 pound bag. I opted for this because I actually need quite a bit of cheddar this week between a couple different recipes. And at the end of the day, it was a little bit cheaper than the bricks. I usually like to buy the bricks and shred it myself because the bagged pre-shredded cheddar cheese also has like cornstarch in it, so it doesn't clump together and it doesn't melt as nice. That's why I prefer the not shredded one, but this was a better price this week. We'll deal with that. Okay, moving over just a little bit. I grabbed some more nuggets here. And I also grabbed some more waffles. The waffles as well as the nuggets, these are something that I also keep in my freezer at all times. I'm not out of them yet, but I like to just have them around so I don't run out of them. They're mostly for my son, his emergency meals and breakfast, so I never have to worry about it. I grabbed these blue corn tortilla chips. I love these. These are really good. These are probably my favorite tortilla chips at Aldi. But all of them are pretty good at Aldi. They're good bang for the buck as well. And as we are approaching the end of our haul here, this was an Aldi find this week. They had these baked pita puffs. This one is pepperoni pizza flavor, lots of peas. They look like they're probably, you know, like got the air crunchy. I don't know, I just figured we would give them a try. They also had like cheese pizza flavored. I figured the pepperoni would be interesting. And then lastly here, I grabbed some Texas toast. with the cheese on it. So this is the 5 cheese Texas toast, and I'm going to be serving this up with our soup. So that is the end of the haul for this week, and if you are looking for some meal plan inspiration, go on and stick around because I got it coming for you right now. Alright, so for this week's weekly meal plan, we have for breakfast, we have options of waffle or toast with peanut butter and some fruit. Lunch, I can do tuna, peanut butter and jelly sandwiches, or we can do chicken nuggets and a squeeze for my son, or some fruit along with some crackers. We have the club crackers and graham crackers. Monday night for dinners, we're gonna do marinated seitan, and if you are unfamiliar, seitan is a meatless wheat gluten product, and this is a nice meat substitute. This particularly vegans are used to seitan. And I'm gonna serve that with some scalloped potatoes. Tuesday, I'm gonna do a chicken wrap. I have some of those chicken fingers from last week in my freezer still, so I'm gonna cook some of those up in the oven and I'm gonna serve them with some fries. Wednesday, I will be doing pasta with some more of that chicken just chopped up, served with marinara sauce. So it's kind of like a chicken parm, but served with pasta. Thursday, I'm gonna be doing a Mongolian tofu stir fry, and I'm gonna serve that with rice. The Mongolian tofu is just a tofu that I'm going to bake up in the oven till it's crispy, and then I'm going to saute it with a Mongolian style sauce, which is like a brown, garlicky, gingery sauce. Friday, I'm gonna be making spinach and artichoke seitan. So that seitan I made up here, I'm going to basically make a double batch of it, and I am going to split it in half, and half of it I'm going to bake it with a spinach and artichoke style dipping type sauce, but I'm gonna put the seitan in it so it has some protein and beef it up a little bit, and I'll serve it with some leftover naan that I have in my freezer. Saturday, I'm gonna do a general, so pork with rice and vegetables. I still have a pound of pork left in my freezer and I wanna use it up, so I will be serving that up with some General Tso's sauce. And then Sunday, I'm going to be making a broccoli and cheddar soup. I have a recipe that is similar to Panera's, which is really yummy, and I'm gonna serve that with some garlic bread, and if I'm feeling feisty, I might also throw some chicken with that as well. But that is it for this week's weekly meal plan, so please make sure you give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and if you missed it, go on and check out my red velvet brownie recipe I posted on Monday. It's super cute and fun for Halloween. And next Monday, I will be posting a puff pastry mozzarella stick all dressed up for Halloween. So thank you guys so much for watching. Okay, I love you. Bye!